Hey guys, thanks for tuning in and watching this video. Uh, this is a coffee machine from Aldi supermarket, and it's an Expressi one. And the reason why I'm doing this video is that this is a replacement from an older one. And what we've been doing is that we've been using a different brand of capsules. You know they and like here's just 2 packets, and these and so we've got 2 brands here. We've got the Expressi capsules here, which are suitable for the machine, obviously. Expressi, you know. And but then we've got these ones that says MAP Italian coffee, or what the brand is Caffitaly there. And so we've got 2 capsules here, which are pretty much exactly the same diameter on the outside. You know, the only difference is that here we've got a smooth finish here, and there it's got ridges there, as you can see. And but everything else is the same in dimension on the outside. But with the older Aldi coffee machine, what we'd found, once we had used these Caffitaly capsules after a few times, the machine just basically ended up leaking water everywhere, so we had to stop using it and buying another one. Yeah, so we still got these capsules left over, so but I thought I'd do an experiment, and I'll open these capsules up. And what we had found is that the Expressi has like a cloth fiber type of filter on the bottom of the capsule, as opposed to the Caffitaly one, where it's just a round disc with multiple holes on the bottom there. So maybe that's enough to do some damage to the Expressi coffee machine, because obviously they'll produce different pressures inside as the hot water is trying to push the coffee in. The hot water goes into the capsule, and then it's released out of the capsule with the coffee flavors. And so maybe that's enough for the machines to react differently, or for the Expressi coffee machine to not work so well. And then on the top of the capsules there are these discs, obviously one on each machine, like this one that I'm pointing at. That one's from the Expressi, which is pretty much like a solid disc. And where this one, it's only got a couple of holes there, where this has got multiple holes, so yeah, so this poses like a different scenario, on how these capsules work. So if you've got one of these Aldi machines and you're considering using another brand, even though the capsules are the same size, like, I'll probably think twice about that. Even though, like, these Caffitaly ones, like, you get 10 capsules for, I don't know, roughly around, I think it was roughly around $2 for this packet, where this is around, where the Expressi ones are roughly around $6, I think it was. So there is sort of like a bit of a price difference there, but ultimately you end up damaging one of these machines, and and they say it ends up costing you more in the long run. So I thought I'd make this video. It may help you guys out, and you may have a better understanding of what's inside the capsule, and you may think twice about in using other brand capsules to the supposedly one that's for the coffee machine. So hopefully this has helped, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.